2025.
Yeah, this is Doom
Yeah.
2025. What do you think of Waqas?
It rides nice, got good pickup. If you're not experienced, don't get on it.
Yeah.
What do you think about the color from both bikes?
It's really nice. It like stands out. You don't see these two colors on the road.
Right. It's a lot of fun. Ali, what do you think, bro?
I love it, man.
Ask this guy, man. Ask this guy.
You can't ride, sit in the back.
It's a lot of fun, right?
Let's hear the bites. All right, guys, have fun.
Let's hear it.